This is Peggy with Sweet Tea Makery. Today we're going to make a double loop bow using a vertical patterned ribbon. The vertical pattern is going from top to bottom. So we're going to measure out a 9-inch tail, and we're going to pull that tail down to the bottom. Now we're going to measure out 10 inches to make a 5-inch loop, and we're going to tuck that one under. And we're going to take our second loop and measure out 10 inches and do 5-inch loop. And we're going to tuck that under. We're not twisting here. We're going to follow that same pattern where we're using the nice pattern, and then we're going to be using the underside of the pattern. Now we have a tail that is facing down on top and a tail that's facing down on the bottom. We're going to use a pipe cleaner, but you can use zip ties or floral wire to tie it off. Now we have a double bow where all our patterns are matching and going in the same direction. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.